When you or any viewer go to YouTube from any device, there are three attractions or three elements to engage a viewer in a particular video. Number one, thumbnail of the video. Thumbnail is the opportunity which depicts the core message or the core information about your video. Thumbnail is the first visual attraction element of YouTube videos. If your thumbnail is appealing, then a viewer will definitely click on your video or at least go to the second element, which is title of the video. Majority of viewers select watching a video or scrolling down to the next video based on the title of the video. So ensure that you have selected and placed an attractive title. Number 3, content of video. What is your video about? Remember that content of your video must be engaging in accordance to the niche and doing justice to the thumbnail and title of your video which you have advertised to attract viewers. So appealing thumbnail, attractive title and engaging content are the major elements which attracts viewers to click on your videos. So take your time to make your thumbnail appealing, your title attractive, and the content of your video is engaging.
Please don't forget to subscribe our channel for quick and easy tutorials.
Thank you very much for watching. Assalamu alaikum.